Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is Poshan Pakhwada. Why in news? The Ministry of Women and Child Development has recently launched the 7th edition of Poshan Pakhwada, which will be observed from 8th April to 22nd April 2025. This initiative is a part of the government's efforts to address malnutrition with active participation from multiple ministries and state departments. Key focus areas of Poshan Pakhwada 2025. Critical first 1000 days. The first 1000 days from conception to a child's second birthday are crucial for brain and physical development. This period is critical for laying the foundation for a child's future health, immunity and cognitive abilities. Poshan Pakhwada 2025 emphasizes the importance of maternal nutrition, proper breastfeeding practices, and a balanced diet in preventing malnutrition, stunting, and anemia. Technology integration. The Poshan Tracker, an AI-enabled platform launched in 2021, has revolutionized the way nutrition services are monitored at Anganwadi centers. With real-time tracking, Anganwadi workers can manage attendance, meal distribution, and health metrics efficiently. Beneficiaries, including pregnant women, lactating mothers, and children, can now self-register on the Poshan Tracker web app to monitor their nutritional progress, making the initiative more accessible. Community-based management of acute malnutrition. The CMAM protocol, introduced in 2023, empowers Anganwadi workers to identify, treat, and refer malnourished children at the grassroots level. This protocol is central to the success of Poshan Pakhwada 2025 as it enables early detection and intervention, ensuring timely treatment for malnourished children within communities. Combating childhood obesity. As childhood obesity becomes an increasing concern, Poshan Pakhwada 2025 also focuses on promoting healthier food choices. The campaign encourages children to avoid high-fat, high-sugar, and high-salt foods and emphasizes the importance of physical activity. Palna scheme under Mission Shakti. The Palna scheme is part of the Samarthya sub-scheme under Mission Shakti, focusing on providing crèche services for children aged 6 months to 6 years. Initially known as the National Crèche Scheme, Palna was restructured in 2022 and is now a centrally sponsored program. The scheme operates under a 60:40 funding ratio between the center and states, UTs 90:10 for special category states. The scheme aims to support working mothers by offering daycare, early childhood stimulation, preschool education, nutritional meals, growth monitoring, and immunization. The restructured Palna scheme mandates crèche facilities at workplaces with 50 or more employees under the amended Maternity Benefit Act. Conclusion. Poshan Pakhwada 2025 is a movement to improve nutrition, focusing on one mother, one child, and one meal at a time. By blending tradition with technology, empowering Anganwadi workers, and involving communities, India is working towards a healthier generation. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about Palna scheme. The Palna scheme is part of the Samarthya sub-scheme under Mission Shakti. The scheme mandates crèche facilities at workplaces with 20 or more employees under the amended Maternity Benefit Act. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comments below. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.